Sige. What are you doing? Whoa, dance, dance. Ano nga yan? Twisting, twist, ano yun? Yung Miss Rachel. We're twisting, we're twisting, we're twisting, 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 we're twisting, we're twisting, we're twisting, twisting. Now we stop. We're clapping, we're clapping, we're clapping, 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 we're clapping, we're clapping.
Jumping kasi sunod.
We're clapping, we're clapping, we're clapping, clapping, clapping. We're dancing, we're clapping, we're clapping, we're clapping, clapping, clapping. Clapping, we're clapping. Pagod na ka. We're clapping, clapping, clapping. We're jumping, we're jumping, we're jumping, jumping, jumping. Now, stop. Stop na. Alam mo naman ang boses. We're dancing, we're dancing, we're dancing, dancing, dancing. We're dancing. Now, we stop. Bahala na yung boses ko. Umauntog mo tayo. Read! So, makalat na. It's danger. We're clapping, we're clapping, we're clapping, clapping, clapping. We're dancing, we're... Okay na, hindi ko na alam. What happened to the letters? Bree. Where's the letter D? We're jumping, we're jumping, we're jumping, jumping, jumping. We're clapping, we're clapping. Bisaya naman, day. Sige, sige, sige. Oh, hi, Bree. Today. Oh, see? Oh, gandahan lang kasi, anak. Grabe naman kasi kakiat kasi. Oh, you're clumsy, you're clumsy, you're clumsy, 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 you're clumsy. I don't know, nakanak kung ano ikakantahin ko. Alam mo naman yung your mama is not a singer. Ha? I'm not a singer. Because anak, kapag nagano tayo ng audio, copyright na naman ito. Boses na lang ni mama na napakaganda. Ha? Bree? Multiple language ang nalalaman mo, Bree. There's French, Bisaya, and Tagalog English. Wow. But your first language here is French. Okay? I don't know how to speak French. Just the basic. Bree, we're clapping. We're clapping. Paulit-ulit na lang si Mama. Mama don't know how to sing. You know, Bree? Ha, Bree?
Twisting?
Bree? January 2026, Bree, today. You're so clumsy. Silly. You're so silly. Yeah. Mama's voice is Bisaya. Bisaya manggod ta. Ilonggo manggod ta. Ilonggo. Damo ka mo to sa inyo? Ambot si mo Bree, don't go. Okay, I'll teach you Bisaya. Ilonggo. Taga Bacolod ka, Day? Day? Taga Bacolod, kuya? Ambot si mo yan. Hindi gali ko taga Bacolod. Dito gali ko sa Sipalaya. Taga rin ka man? Diri ka nagbata sa Quebec? So you are French. French girl. Bree, Canadian. Miss Canadian girl. How are you? What I'm gonna sing to you? Bree. Bree. Ano ang kakantahin ko sa'yo, Bree? Oh. What? Ooh, my love, my darling, I'm wondered for your touch. I have. I love you, Bree. Bree, don't be too silly. You're so silly. Bree, nakain ka ng sili, Bree? Bree. Yan ta. Huwag na lang natin lagyan to ng audio sounds kasi nagka-copyright. Bahala na yung ano yung sasabihin ko. My Bree. I'm gonna put this on YouTube, Bree, ha? So that you can see this and you are big. Diba? Bisayang kinamatis. Bree, don't go there. Hi. Bree.
Kadisha
I
Bree.
love you, Bree.
Where's my
Kadisha
Kadisha
Bree,
Bree?
come here.
Where's my Kadisha
Come here,
Bree?
come here, come here.
Where's my Kadisha
Oh,
Bree?
that's Kuya talking. That's Kuya speaking. Oh, why don't you? Okay, let's stop. We're clapping, and clapping. We're jumping, we're clapping. Now we stop. Stop.
Mama.
Now go. Stop na. What happened to letter D? That's Kadisha. Oh, that's Kadisha. Kadisha Bree. I love you, Miss Kadisha Bree, my
Stand up.
girl.